Monday. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is for my international global folks, although they are hiring worldwide. So if you are in the United States, you can still apply if you qualify for this position. The international and global work from home job leads have been slowing down for the summer months. So I am continuing to search around and try to find the best work from home job leads available for my international viewers. So today we have the company OX Labs. They are hiring an account manager. Now, this is more for someone who has a technology or finance background. They are looking for someone that has a professional dot connector, both in context of business strategy and human relationships. Someone who can grasp unique business models, needs, and constraints effectively. And if you understand the blockchain and cryptocurrency market, that is a great plus. They are looking for someone as the preferred partner among clients through deep understanding of assigned client strategies, priorities, and needs of business processes. Someone who can develop strong relationships with assigned clients through the Web 2 and Web 3 platforms, maintaining OX's image as an industry leader for growing trading volume. You'll have to identify and act on opportunities to help clients align with the industry developments, dynamics, and digital trends. So that's going to include upselling and cross-selling different products for your clients' business needs. And then you'll follow up on projects and strategies for each client, being accountable for the results. So they are really looking for someone who has 3 to 5 years experience in either business development, account management, or a related field such as technology or finance. They're looking for someone who is technology savvy with a broad understanding of business models and product use cases, someone who can be effective with verbal and written communication, and someone who has rigorous research and product management skills. Now, they offer great benefits. It does say they have a competitive salary, although it does not say what that salary is. You will have to ask at the time of the interview, due to that being based on experience plus location, since they are hiring worldwide. It does say that they also offer equity in the company with occasional cryptocurrency-based perks. You have 100% covered insurance for you and your dependents, monthly mobile phone bill, wellness, and pre-tax transportation expense benefit, covered mental health benefits. It says lunch reimbursement for all employees across the globe. They have a stipend for your ideal remote work from home setup that includes laptop, headphones, and any other work gear that you may need. They will give you the money for or supply, which is a great plus for a international hiring work from home job that will give you either money to get your own computer equipment or give you computer equipment. All right, if this job was not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education or experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.